Hi, in this mini video number 5, I will give you information about question 5 of the game. How does our planet work about volcanoes? Here is Hélène Gaonac'h. So question 5 is, what do we call a very large volcanic basin? We'll start by describing the shape of a simple volcano. A volcano like a stratovolcano can be described by a summit, flanks, and an underlying magma chamber inside the volcano. You can also observe on the drawing volcanic chimney with ramifications. Volcanic chimney with a ramification. Magma will stay for a while in the magma chamber and will come out either at the summit or on one of the flanks. So that means the magma can take a variety of trajectories inside the volcano. Magma may exhibit several features, including craters, small or large, fissures from which lava is expelled. We'll see nice examples later. Cinder cones or scoria cones, which could be numerous on a volcano, a lava dome, even lava lakes, a lava lake or a lava tube. A lava lake is really a spectacular feature that you have to see once at least, even if it's just in a photo. But more features could be expected on a volcano. So here is an example. Colima volcano with the simple shape. Its summit, flanks, and the base. Here is a lava dome at night on Montserrat Island with the incandescent fragments. Here is the Nyiragongo volcano in the Democratic Republic of the Congo with its lava lake. These two pictures are exhibiting lava walls coming out of fissures on Piton de la Fournaise in France and on Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Now we will consider volcanoes with more complex shapes. As a volcano ages, it will have experiences related to various types of eruptions, effusive ones and explosive ones. It will give a complex shape, which often can include a caldera. A caldera forms during an impressive explosive eruption where the magma chamber will be emptied. Volcanic clouds, turbulent flows will form. When this magma chamber becomes empty or contains less material, the summit may collapse. A large depression called a caldera will be created. A caldera has typically a diameter of 1.5 km to 60 km. On the contrary, a crater will typically be of meters to hundreds of meters wide. The walls of caldera are steep, as you can see on the drawing. Caldera can then be filled with rainwater and groundwater to form a crater lake. The crater lake can be extremely acidic due to volcanic components escaping from the volcanic structure. New volcanic activity may also start up in the caldera with secondary volcanic cones, formed eventually a few thousands of years later. So here are some examples of caldera. First of all, again, a caldera will have typically a diameter of 1.5 to 60 kilometers and has been created by the collapse of the volcano interior, the summit part. Here are the Teide volcano in Spain and the Gaonac'h Krakatoa in Indonesia. The Gaonac'h Krakatoa here is located inside a larger structure, the Krakatoa itself. Gaonac'h means the sun. And it means that Gaonac'h Krakatoa has been formed after the collapse of the Krakatoa volcano. That means after the formation of the caldera, the Krakatoa caldera. And as you can see, observe, it's most of the volcano and its collapse is underwater. Calderas can also be found under a cap of ice, such as the Veniaminoff volcano in Alaska. Finally, here are some examples at the summit of craters. First of all, a crater may be 1.5 kilometers in diameter or less, and it's just a vent. Could be big, but which expresses the magma output, but with no collapse. So familiar and famous craters are craters which have been modified from the Mount St. Helens in the USA and from the Ruapeu volcano, a very nice one in New Zealand. Also, the Zao volcano in Japan. Look at the color, the green color of the crater lake. And it's the end of the mini video number 5. You can find the other ones on the blog. Thank you and have a nice day.